At a press conference held on Wednesday, the 11th of May 2022, the spokesperson of the Federation of All School Teachers of Meghalaya of Fastom, Mayborn Lyngdoh, informed that as a reaction to the government's inability to give in to the teachers' demand for an enhancement of Rs 18,000 and an increment of 5% annually, the association has decided to launch an indefinite rally from Thursday at 12:30 p.m. outside the premises of Secretariat Hills, Shillong. Addressing a press conference on Wednesday, Mayborn Lyngdoh said that Thursday will be the final battle to fight for the rights of teachers, but at the same time, it was assured that the protest will not be violent.
How is the government of Meghalaya still saying that it does not have budget? Another thing, if the government of Meghalaya is having so much of money for infrastructure, we also saw that the Chief Minister of Meghalaya has also said that it will need a lot of money because it needs to construct schools, it needs to develop the buildings and so on and so forth. If it has money for all that, why not for the teachers? What are you going to do with the buildings where there are no teachers? What are you going to do with all those buildings where the teachers are not being treated justly? Then what are you, or another question that I can put forward to the government of Meghalaya is this: why are you so interested in all these developmental activities? Another thing, how are these tenures or how are these tenders tendered? How and where does the government of Meghalaya give away these tenders? So that is also an interesting point. Why is the government of Meghalaya more interested in festivals? Why not in developing the teachers? Interested more in festivals? Maybe. There are so many different kinds of things that can come out of these festivals. So today, we are tired. We cannot wait any longer. So tomorrow, we have decided that at 12:30 p.m., 12:30 p.m. we are going to launch another rally, and this rally we will stay there outside of the Secretariat if the government allow us, and we will stay there, we will sleep there, we will eat there until the government is compelled to respond to us. We have asked for a dialogue with the Chief Minister. If the Chief Minister is not clear about all these things, why do we want to have a meeting with the Chief Minister so bad? The reason is because we want to make these things clear to him, that this is the amount of money that you have in the treasury. This is the amount of money that you have in the finance department. And why is this amount not coming to us? So we are just teachers. We have all of these statistics. Now you can ask me, from where did I get these statistics? I will state here that no, I'm not involved with any political party, and if there is any politician who can give me these statistics, then it means that our state Meghalaya will not be in such a dire state as we are right now.